Flooding continues throughout central Montana. Hey everyone, I'm Jason Laird from the Storm Tracker Weather Center. Well, pretty much all of central Montana remains under a flood watch. Some areas in and around Augusta especially, and the Sun River under flood warnings. Let's get you right over to the maps and show you what we've got going on. So a little bit darker green here. That is going to be a flood watch that is tentatively set to remain in effect through this evening at about 6 p.m. I would not be at all surprised if that is extended. So we take in a little bit closer here. We've got a couple flood warnings to break down. Lewis and Clark County remains under that flood warning through Thursday at 2 a.m. Places in and around Augusta, 4 to 8 inches of rain have fallen across this area. So in and around Highway 287 at mile marker 38, it looks like near Augusta, is currently up to about 12 inches of rain, rainwater, I should say, running, and that is going to be in and around Elk Creek. And that's, again, running across the highway. So a lot of the roads going to and from Augusta are actually closed right now. I know some of the post offices are also closed as well. So we move a little bit further north into Teton. That particular flood warning is set through Wednesday at 10:45 a.m. Here we've seen about, up to about 8 inches of rain fallen in the last 3 days, and more rain is expected. Now, the good news here, we are expecting this rain to start tapering off here this afternoon and evening. A little bit tighter in and around the Sun River. That's going to be an area we really need to keep our eye on over the next couple of hours here in Cascade County. That particular flood warning set to remain in effect through Friday at 11 p.m. River gauges are reporting about 4 to 8 inches of rain falling, or has fallen, I should say, in this area over the past few days, and we're still tracking some pretty heavy rain in and around this area. Right where the Sun River comes into the Missouri, that's going to be the area we want to keep our eye. I don't anticipate that the actual Missouri will flood, but the problem is here you get that confluence of one river going into another, and potentially right around the Missouri River there by the golf course, that area potentially could see some higher water levels, maybe some minor flooding there. We'll continue to keep you posted on that system. Now, the good news, like I said, these showers are expected to begin tapering off here this evening into Wednesday. Here's how the future track is playing things out. So for the remainder of your Tuesday afternoon, here's kind of that area of low pressure. You'll notice a very distinct counterclockwise flow out of these systems. By this evening, around 9:30, these systems should become more isolated, more sporadic, a lot less heavy. Good news there. Overnight, we'll see just mostly cloudy skies taking us into our Wednesday morning. Still some isolated showers are expected. Come Wednesday afternoon, a few little isolated systems are still going to move throughout central Montana. Nothing like what we've seen over the past few days. Also can't rule out a few isolated thunderstorms. As these temperatures begin to warm up over the next couple of days, we'll get what we call convection. Basically, we've got a lot of ground moisture. You throw some heat on top of that, and you get that afternoon convection kicking up some of those isolated showers and thunderstorms. By Wednesday evening, really clearing things up, but Thursday, Friday, we're going to hold on to that chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout central Montana. That's a quick check of that forecast. Of course, we'll have the latest updates tonight, 5:30 and 10 o'clock. Hope to see you there.